This 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 284 BHOK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This used Jayco is 35 feet 3 inches in length and features one slideout, sleep 6, Colorado Detector, slideout, skylight, external shower, self-contained, spare tire kit, smoke detector, DVD player, microwave, oven, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Eagle HT 284 BHOK is 8,502 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.